Hello, my name's Washboardjim. I'm the thinking strategist behind the Sneaky Snake strategy, where I talk about chart patterns, moving averages, and being in the now. I've been trading for 22 years straight every day, and I've seen things a whole lot worse than what we're seeing now. I'm seeing a lot of propaganda, a lot of things a lot of news headlines that you can't believe, a lot of false information that's going on right now. Too much information, too much Trump deranged syndrome, and it's just a perfect recipe for buying the dip because this market's in good shape in my opinion. And this is the way it is. I mean, I've seen days a whole lot worse than this. I've seen times a whole lot worse than this. This is nothing. They're making a big deal out of this. We have a lot of Trump deranged syndrome out there, and I've just seen a lot of things a whole lot worse. So I'm very positive. I've called the bottom on the market. We've bounced up. We've had some pretty good little trades come in, some real good trades here in the last week. Some big gainers like from 360 to $3,000 in the SPX. So I'm going to keep scalping until we really start to get some kind of real good answers of what's going on in Iran. But I've seen days a whole lot worse. And I just want to make my point. There's a lot of rookies out there that think this is the worst time ever. It's not. I've seen days a whole lot worse. So I'm just saying, keep your chin up, play the dips, learn how to chart. I use chart patterns, moving averages, and being in the now. There's a lot of fear out there. A lot of people don't know how to trade in the market, and this market ain't down that much. It's not down that much at all compared to what we've seen in the past on worse events than what were taking place right now. So let's kind of look at this here real fast. I listen to Schwab. I get so sick of him. I mean, not Schwab, but CNBC's. And I tried to be the devil's advocate. Now they're calling the bottom out, and they're questioning it. They've been questioning everything. We're supposed to be in a recession 3 years ago, 2 years ago, stagflation. It just, nothing they say has been right, from the interest rate cuts to anything else. So as they keep pounding in fear, that's the best time to buy in this market, is in fear. I mean, you got to be patient, and you got to look for the right setups. But, I don't trade in fear. I trade what the charts read to me. And right now we're holding support on the SPY at 672.70. And I still got my low support channels in here just in case we hit a good spot. We hit that low support, I'm diving in this trade. We had a rising wedge breakout, and it consolidated, and we're consolidating real well after the great runs we've had. That's another thing you want to think about when you're looking at trades. We had a snake breakout, pull back, inverse head and shoulders with a double bottom, boom, back up to the top. And we've consolidated this here run. Now, I mean, we could pull back some and hit that low support, but I think that's as low as it's going to get for now, around between 661.35 and 665.97. But I've been trading for a long time, and I just got to emphasize that I have seen days a whole lot worse. A lot of Trump deranged syndrome out there, and he's doing everything that Democrats would have done 15 years ago. The party has changed. I haven't changed. I'm an old liberal. Now I'm not no liberal. I will never vote a Democrat ever again. Not after what I saw under Biden. So it's just it. I've seen days a whole lot worse than they were under Biden. We had supply chain issues. We had oil issues. We had war. Go ahead, Russia. Jump into Ukraine. It's only going to be a short excursion. The war's still going on. Seen days a whole lot worse. So I just want everybody to be patient. I think I called the bottom in this stock for now, unless something, does get worse. But I've seen days a whole lot worse. I'm Washboardjim. I'm the founder of the Sneaky Snake Trading Strategy. I talk about chart patterns, moving averages, and being in the now. And have a great day.